Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a WebRTC peer-to-peer group chat kind of application. So the website name is camus.chat. So I have given the link in the video description. If you go to this public chatting platform, here you can just create your own room using peer-to-peer application. So this app is made of Node.js, JavaScript and Python. So here you can just give any room name. Let's suppose I give XYZ. You can also provide a password as well. This is a optional. You can put this group on the right hand side so anyone can see this and join this. So you can tick mark this and you can just set the limit of how many people can join this room. So I will set this to 5, and if I click create here, you will see now you will have to first of all join this by providing nickname, and then you can just allow the camera access and microphone access and click on enter room. So you just need to grant the permissions, so it will, you will see it has granted access to the web camera, so it has successfully got to the web camera. So here you will see all the people which are joined here on the right hand side. You can also send out messages as well, like this. You can see that text messages, you can even send it here. And if I open this window here in a separate tab, let me just show you. So another person is joining this room here. You can see that if I join this room with another name, if I click enter room, you will see another person has joined this room successfully. You can see that. And now if I just see here, if I send this message, so in the left hand side you will see this message is received successfully. Now there are two windows out there. So similarly, if I copy this and if I paste it for the third time, you will see, let me provide a different nickname, and if I grant the, if I click the camera access, click on enter room, so now you will see the third person is successfully joined in. You will see in all the three windows, you will see there are three persons out there. If I send out the text message, the text message will be received by this person also, and by this person also. If I just show here, you will see that. You can see that all these messages are received here. So this is a great group video chatting application such as Zoom. You have tried Zoom in the past as well. Zoom is a video chatting application where multiple people can talk at the same time. So this is kind of like this. This is a free chatting kind of application. So if I just again go to the this website, you will see if I create a public room, and if I now check the public option here, and if I set this limit to two persons only, if I create it, you will see now if I go to this, if I go to this website, now you will see on the right hand side this room will be there. You can see this is my public room which is listed here on the website. Now anyone which is visiting the website can join this room by clicking this option, and now you can see the restriction, only two people can join the room. So if I click this, you will see if I grant the permissions here, if I provide a nickname, click on enter room, you will see so one person is successfully joined in inside this room. So if I once again go to the back same website, if I open the home page, you will see already two people have joined in. So if I again click this, you will see guest limit already reached. So you can't join this room because the room is full. So you can even set the password as well. So if I set a password, let's suppose of 123, And if I again click this option public, create this room, and if you want to join the room, you need to input the password like this. So 123. If I provide a wrong password, you will see invalid password. If I provide the right password, 123, if I click join, you will see it will successfully join in here. You can just select your camera here, and now you can see you have successfully joined the room here. So you can also create rooms with password. So this is a great feature of this website. So the link is there inside the video description. You can go to this website. This is just a pure example of peer-to-peer video chatting kind of application. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.